Look at all the snow. Look at these tracks. All right, so my little dike spot's a little bit further. I guess we're not going to drive that far today, but might be able to convince the family to stop this way. So here's the first bridge. It looks like someone's been driving up here. Sounds like the water is just ripping though. So it's just like up from our house a bit. A lot of people walk up this trail. Could have gone straight down there, I guess, and got to the river, eh? Would have been the same. Slippery! I don't really like these rocks. They look kind of boring. I shouldn't say that. Maybe they got some cool granite. Pretty though. Yeah, it's very slippery. Hey, see how slippery it is? Super slippery. Nice old rock though, eh? A nice old rock. So if you walk up around the corner, that's the dike. Oh yeah, look at that big red and green basalt unkite piece. Yeah, I guess some of these would be older, eh? Blown apart a long time ago. Man, this would have been an easier way to go down, wouldn't it? The old road's coming in. Yeah. Or maybe even down this side. Man, they must have diked it up good. Stop it from going. Here's a big rock though, hey? There's a big rock. I like big rocks. Old piece of wood. A lot of people walk up here. Big granitoid. What's this say? 54 tons load rating. 54 tons. I just get so bummed, like anywhere where there's a good spot to get down, you can bet your ass that somebody's also dumped some garbage or something, right? That does not look hard to get down. So if we kept going, we would have hit that little tributary thing there. If you watched my earlier video where we walked through all the bush here, it might be easier to come here, hop, skip, jump down over there. And yeah, this is just kind of like a Mad Dog Mountain Arch trailblazing video. Get that. And then just up here is that corner of Peter Lake. But I don't know if we're gonna walk all that way. Well, come back, hey.